adjective are the words which describe the noun. Similarly, adverbs are those words which describe the verbs. That is, we can also call adverbs as describing words, but they do not describe noun. They describe either verb, first, second, adjective, and the third is adverb. That is, they describe the adjective, verb, and another adverb. That is the other one. Another adverb. Now, we will see that adverb which describes the verb, adjective, and adverb. How? By taking example of verbs. For example, first is she writes neatly. I sang sweetly. Now, if we look into these two sentences, write is the verb, okay, and sang is also the verb. Now, if we ask a question that how does she write, the answer which we get is neatly. So this is an adverb, and in this sentence, this adverb is describing or defining. You can also say defining. It is defining the verb. Okay. I sang sweetly. Now, how did I sang? It is the verb, and this sweetly is an adverb which is describing the verb. So, this is the first one, that adverb, which is a defining verb or a describing verb. It describes verbs. Okay. These are some of the common examples which we always come to know. Next is, now we will look into this definition of the adverb, that how does an adverb define or describe adjective. Examples are, we can give examples. Examples are, this is a very sour orange. Now, orange is noun, okay. Sour is adjective in this sentence. So this adjective is defining noun. But when I have used this word very, it is an adverb which is defining the adjective. Okay. So you can notice the difference between two sentences, that she writes neatly. This neatly is defining verb, but in this sentence, that this is a very sour orange. Orange is the noun which is being defined by sour, adjective. But when I have used this word very before this adjective sour, this adverb defines the adjective. Okay. Next is, we can also take more examples. This magazine is widely popular. Okay, this magazine is widely popular. As we can see in this sentence, magazine is the noun. The word which describes this magazine is popular, so this is adjective. Now, how much popular it is? It is widely, यानी बहुत ज़्यादा famous है. So this is an adverb, but this adverb is not defining the noun, but not defining the verb, but is defining the adjective. Okay. So when an adverb is placed before adjective and it defines it or describe it. So that is also a case in which adverb is a describing. This is all about the definition. Okay. Again, when we come to it, next is, how does an adverb defines or describes another adverb? Okay. The third one is, Mohit will reach very late. Mohit will reach very late. Okay, this is an example. Mohit is noun, reach is the verb, okay, and late is an adverb. Okay, now we know, as we have said, adverb define verbs. So this late, before this late, there is another adverb placed, and this very is not being used to describe reach, but late.
Ma'am,
Late,
board is blur.
not late. Board is blurred. Is it clear to you now, Sujan? Sujan, is it clear to you now?
मैम आपने जो अभी मोहन वाला सेंटेंस लिखा वो क्लियर नहीं है.
Not clear. Okay. I'll write it again. Okay.
And your board is blur.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, अब क्या दिख रहा है?
इसमें आप क्लियर आ रहे हैं.
Very late. Now we know that reach is what? It's a verb. Okay. And we also know that late is an adverb. Okay. If I remove this word very and say Mohit will reach late, Mohit देर से पहुंचेगा. Okay. In that case, this late is describing verb. Okay. But now before between these verb and adverb, I have used another adverb. Okay. And this I have used another adverb, and this adverb is not used to define the verb, but it is defining the previous adverb in the sentence. Mohit will reach late, यानी Mohit late पहुंचेगा, but now it is saying Mohit बहुत late पहुंचेगा. कितना late? बहुत late. So it is also a condition that in a sentence we can get two adverbs. And in that case, one adverb always define the previous adverb. Okay. I will give you one more example of it. She writes. This is the example which I wrote previously. She writes neatly. Okay. I'll leave a gap and show you. She writes neatly. She writes is what? Verb. And neatly is what? Adverb. We all know that. But if I place one more adverb in between, she writes very neatly. Again, this is an adverb, but this neatly was defining writes, but this very, which is the second adverb in a sentence, it is defining the previous adverb neatly. Is it clear to everybody? Is the definition of adverb clear to you all? Because generally we consider this first part of the definition as the definition of an adverb. That adverb is a word which describes or defines the verb. But actually it defines the adjectives also and another adverb in the sentence also. You all can keep your videos on and let me know. Everybody keep your videos on. Okay? Yes, Vanchika, open your video. Nirbhay, Adil. Have you all understood? Everybody, Ishika, open your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all understood the definition?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, open your videos fast. Okay, then we will now study about different types of adverbs. Okay, there are 7 types of adverbs. There are 7 types of adverb. First is adverb of time. Okay, I'll make a chart here and show you. Okay, first is, what is first type of adverb? Adverb of time. Is it clear? Adverb of time, it is used to generally to answer the question when. Okay, it is types. Answer the question uses, and some more examples. Okay. Adverb of time which is used to answer the question when. That is, we put the question when for the verb and the answer we get is the adverb of
Ma'am,
time. Yes.
ma'am, board is again blur.
Then you check your screen.
Yes, ma'am, it is really blurred.
Blurred. Okay, just a second. Okay, next, adverb of when. Other examples are yesterday, today, tomorrow, ago, then, before. All these are, see, examples are yesterday, tomorrow, today, before, ago. All these words which tells about time are included in adverb of time. For example, I will go to the market tomorrow. Okay. Now in this we are defining the verb go, that I will go to the market. When I will go? Tomorrow. So this tomorrow is an adverb. Is it clear?
Adverb of time.
He woke up late today. Now in this sentence it is saying he woke up late today. That is, which is the adverb in this sentence? You can give the answer. Which is the adverb in the sentence? Seventh class, give the answers first.
Today.
Today.
Late.
It is today. It is the adverb of time because it is telling about the when did he woke up, at what time he woke up very late. So all these today, tomorrow, yesterday, ago, before, after, still, then, last night, this morning, all such words which tells about time are included in adverb
Ma'am?
of time. Yes.
मैम पर इसमें लेट भी तो होएगा.
No, it is also, but here we are talking about late is also an adverb, but it is adverb of frequency. Okay, which we will be studying in adverb of frequency. Yes.
मैम इन बुक एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम में लिखा है लेट तो.
Maybe he woke up late today. At what time? Very late. Frequency में भी आएगा, आपको देखोगे आप उसमें.
ओके मैम.
Okay, next is adverb of place. Now this adverb of place generally answer the question where. Okay, all the words included in the examples of adverb of place are here. You all can give the examples here, there, above,
Below.
and
Down.
down,
Far.
inside, far, near, inside, outside. All such kind of words which tells about the place. Place are known as adverb of place. For example, it is hot outside. Okay, in this it is telling about the hotness, and where is that hotness? It is outside. This is adverb of
Place.
Any example would you like to give? All those who are there in the class, would you like to give more example?
Adverb of time का.
Yes, adverb of place, not time. Adverb of place. Be quick.
मैम रिपीट द सेंटेंस.
I was asking about examples of adverb of place. Okay, you tell me. I have written one more example over here. The children are playing upstairs. Can you identify the adverb in this sentence and tell its type?
Upstairs.
Okay, which type of adverb it is?
Adverb of place.
मैम प्लेस।
ब्लर आ रहा है बोर्ड, दिख नहीं रहा है।
मैम बिल्कुल ब्लर आ रहा है, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा।
Is clear now?
मैम
It is
Yes,
adverb
ma'am.
of upstairs is
No, ma'am.
adverb of
मैम अभी भी
Place.
ब्लर आ रहा है बोर्ड।
मैम ब्लर ही आएगा वो।
now it's clear. You can let me know now. It's an adverb of place because it is telling that where are the children playing? Children are playing upstairs. So it is telling about the place. So it is an adverb of place. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody?
मैम टॉपिक तो क्लियर हो गया पर अभी बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं है।
So check your screen once. Okay. Clear your
मेरा
screen of
नेट
your
तो
device.
मेरा वाईफाई तो फुल ही है।
No screen. Camera of your screen. Okay. Next is third is adverb of manner. Third is
मैम मैम ऊपर का क्लियर आता है, नीचे का नहीं आता।
next is adverb of manner.
Manner.
Adverb of manner is generally used to answer the question how. Okay. You can give the examples. Can anybody give me examples of the words which are used to describe adverb of manner? Neatly,
Clearly,
swiftly, and
sweetly,
neatly, swiftly, sweetly, and
nicely,
suddenly, and
carefully,
carefully, well, badly, well, carefully,
honestly. Ma'am, honestly.
honestly, and many more which describe about how an action is performed. Can you frame an example? The sun is shining brightly. Okay. In this sentence, we are talking about the shine of the sun. It is how is it shining? It is shining brightly. So this brightly is the adverb of manner. It is an adverb of manner. Anybody would like to give me an example? Adverb of manner.
कितनी बची तेरी क्लास हो गई?
Anybody?
मैम नाइसली, ब्रेवली।
No. May frame a sentence. Frame a sentence of adverb of manner.
Ma'am, he ran quickly.
He ran quickly. He ran quickly. Next is the plane landed swiftly. The plane landed swiftly. He ran quickly. All these are which tells about, or you can also write the plane landed swiftly or safely. Also you can write. Okay. All these words which describe the verb are known as adverb. Is it clear?
The soldiers killed bravely.
Now the soldiers fought bravely. Okay. You can write. I'm writing over here. The soldiers fought bravely. Now in this it is describing the verb fought and it is describing how did the soldiers fought? They fought bravely. So this is an adverb of manner. Is it clear? Is it clear, Sujan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Palak, you can ask.
ब्रेवली में क्वालिटी क्यों नहीं हो सकती?
Bravely में
क्वालिटी क्यों? क्वालिटी तो वो होता है ना?
it is how much and how, क्योंकि quality
यस मैम
तो बेटा manner और quality एक ही तो बात होती है. It is same thing. adverb of manner,
मैम
adverb of
सिक्स में
place.
क्वालिटी आया था.
It is the same thing, adverb of manner,
Yes,
quality.
ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Is it clear, Palak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is adverb of frequency. Okay.
मैम ये सारे सिक्स में भी आए थे, बस एडवर्ब ऑफ रीजन नहीं आया था.
Yeah, and all these are there in the sixth class also. It's just a revision and also next is adverb of frequency. It is frequency means number of times. Like in the in maths when you learn about bar graph, learn to draw. We always see if an event is occurred number of times. That is how often. That is how often मतलब कितनी बार या how many times. ऐसा आता है. What term do we use to describe that any particular event is occurring how many times? The term which we use to describe is frequency. Frequency means how many times. Okay. Example are, can you give me example? Seldom. Okay, seldom and often.
Ma'am, never. Never.
Again,
Ma'am, never.
never. Okay, never and frequency जो बताए कितनी बार, how many times or how often.
मैम I'll do my work twisely.
Twice, once and
Again.
again, always, again, always.
मैम what is mean of seldom?
Seldom means kabhi kabhi. Okay, now we can frame the sentences also using these words. For example, seldom. She seldom comes to my home. She seldom comes to my home.
My example.
Okay. Yeah, you can give.
She is never unhappy.
She is never.
She is never unhappy.
She is
मैम I do
never.
my work twisely.
Happy.
Oh, she is never happy. Now, this never is used to describe happy, so never happy and you are always welcome. Now, if you see in these sentences, she seldom comes to my home. वो मेरे घर कितना आती है? How often? That is
Ma'am.
how often or how many times? If we put these questions with the verb and the answer we get is the adverb of frequency. Again, she is never happy. How many times? नहीं वो कब happy नहीं होगी? कभी भी नहीं. So happiness can be counted like 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, but she is never happy. So how many times? Never. So this is adverb of frequency. You are always welcome. आप कितनी बार welcome हो? That is how many times you can ask me. How many times you are welcome? Always. That is how often? How many times? Always. So
Ma'am.
always is also known as adverb of frequency. Yes, Susan.
Ma'am, I have visited the Hawa Mahal only once.
Yeah, I have visited Hawa Mahal only once. So once is what? In this sentence, the once is telling about how many times? Only one time. Okay. So that
Okay,
is
ma'am.
also an example of adverb of frequency. Is it clear? Okay, Susan. Next is adverb of degree. Next is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree tells about or degree, or you can also say quantity. It tells about how. Still it is blurred. Still it is blurred.
No, ma'am,
Whether
it's very clear.
adverb of degree, it generally tells the question how much. Okay. Now how much means kitna, very, less, almost, little, little, too, little, quite, but quite often, yani zyada baar. That is quite, almost, pretty, rarely. This pretty does not mean pretty wala, beautiful wala pretty. It means pretty which tells about how much. Okay, all, little, pretty, very, much, more, very, much, more, and many more examples are the adverb of degree or quantity. Now, can you all frame the sentences? Frame these sentences. She is very pretty. Okay. She is very pretty. In this, we are describing about her prettiness and how pretty she is. She is very pretty. So this is adverb of degree. Okay. You all can give the answers also. Open your videos, 7th class. Okay. Any more examples, Pari? Would you like to give more example of adverb of quantity or degree? The old man
Excuse me, ma'am.
ate little. 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 Yes.
Ma'am, she is quite happy.
Yes. She is
She is quite happy.
quite happy. Okay. She is quite happy. Okay. Telling about how much happy, quite happy. यानी थोड़ा happy है. The old man ate little. Old man ने थोड़ा सा खाया. How much did he eat? He ate little. So this is adverb of degree. Okay. Is it clear? 7th class.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Anybody would like to give more example of adverb of degree? Any example?
Happy, happier, happiest.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, जो आज
See. Yes, you can say.
Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful.
मैम
No. Yeah.
मैम जो आज आपने कॉपीज चेक नहीं करी वो आप नेक्स्ट क्लास में
Tomorrow.
करोगे.
Yeah. Tomorrow we have a class at 10 o'clock. Then I will check. Okay. All the roll numbers and starting with the name of the letter with after P. Okay. It was truly a memorable experience. Now we are talking about experience. We are saying how much it was memorable. Kitna? How much it was memorable? It was truly a memorable. So it is an adverb of degree.
मैम
Yes.
मैम संस्कृत की क्लास चालू होने वाली है.
Okay. You all have a Sanskrit class. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow this topic. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, can
बाय
we
मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Yes, you can leave.